Welcome, problem solving fans, to another problem of the day. And this one's about a square. So we've got a square with a perimeter of 48 centimetres, and the square is cut in half. The two halves are put together to make this shape here. What is the perimeter of the new shape? Well, we need to start getting some measurements written onto this diagram. So let's look at the facts. Well, if the perimeter is 48, now remember, on a square, all sides are the same length. So all four sides together must be 48. So if we do 48 shared by 4, which is 12 centimetres, we have figured out that each side must be worth 12 centimetres. So we can just write all of those 12 centimetres on. But it does say that the square is cut in half. So if we cut the square in half, then the long sides are going to be 12s, but the shorter sides would be 6s. Now that's going to help us when we put the shapes together. So the long sides are going to be 12, so this would be 12, this would be 12, and this would be 12, but the shorter sides are going to be 6s. So we've got a 6 here, so the width of one of the shorter sides. This is the width of a shorter side, which would be 6. This is the width of a shorter side, which would be 6. Now, the only side we've not got is this bit here. But now, this yellow bit here and this yellow bit here must be the same as the longer yellow bit here. So, to make the longer yellow bit of 12, we must have another 6 here. So, the two shorter yellow sides must both be 6 to make the longer side of 12. Now, once we've established that, we can start to add up all the numbers. So we've basically got 1, 2, 3 12s. So 3 times 12 is 36. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 6s. 4 times 6 is 24. So the perimeter must be, whatever the answer is, to 36 add 24. So if we just work that out, we'll have got our final answer. 36 add 24. 6 add 4 is 10. Put the 0 and carry the 1. 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6. So the final answer is 60 centimetres. 60 centimetres.